Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to start boxing for just $30 or less. And trust me, you don't need to be a millionaire to start throwing punches. Plus, stick around until the end, and I'll share a secret on how to get a gym membership for free. Let's jump right in. Before you rush off to buy anything, let's talk about borrowing. That's right, borrowing. Be smart and save some cash by asking your boxing gym for spare equipment. Gym owners always have random stuff lying around. Gloves, wraps, shoes. They might even have a pair of boxing gloves older than your grandma. Seriously though, don't be shy to ask. Here's how you could say it. Hey coach, mind if I borrow some gloves? I promise I'll return them without too much sweat in them. Okay, maybe leave that last part out. But really, most gyms have extra gear to loan out to beginners, and it's often the same stuff you'd spend money on. The only thing you'll really need to buy for yourself is a mouth guard. So, ask first, buy later. First things first, clothes. Use what you already have. Any old gym shorts and a t-shirt you can move around in will do the trick. There's no need to spend money on new clothes just to hit the bag. But if you feel like treating yourself or need something a little more flexible, then ask your gym if they have any spare clothes you can borrow. And if that fails, I've linked some cheap gym clothes options below. Alright, here's the one thing you should never borrow. A mouth guard. Just trust me on this one. Do you really want to share something that's been in someone else's mouth? Mouthpieces can be affordable and still keep your teeth safe. Just remember to boil it and mold it to fit your mouth. Easy and essential. I'll put a link below to some $2 mouthpiece options you can get. Now gloves. Again, check with your gym first. Coach, got any gloves that won't give me Hulk hands? They'll probably have some lying around. Just make sure you pick a pair that isn't more duct tape than glove. If the gym doesn't have extras, then I've linked some $18 affordable boxing gloves that are perfect for beginners. Let's talk hand wraps. Again, borrow if you can. But if you ask the coach and they pull out wraps that smell like they've seen one too many rounds, you might want to grab your own. And good news, you can snag some hand wraps for just $2. I'll link them below. Shoes. Now, unless you want to borrow a pair of shoes with the fresh scent of someone else's foot sweat, you can probably stick with your regular sneakers. Ankle support is key though, so don't show up in flip-flops or your old Chuck Taylors. Boxing shoes can be pricey, so just use some regular sneakers with good grip to start. Upgrade when you're ready. I'll link to some good options below for when you're ready for an upgrade. Headgear. Now, if you're not sparring on day one, you don't really need it yet. But hey, ask the coach anyway. Got any headgear I can use, coach? Preferably one that's not already molded to someone else's head? If you plan to spar later, this is something to look into. But for now, you're probably safe without it. And last but not least, groin protection. Trust me, you don't want to borrow this one either. If you're just doing drills, you can probably skip this for day one, but when sparring time comes, you'll need one. Ask your gym if they have spares, or just buy one when the time comes. Alright, as promised, here's how you can potentially get your boxing gym membership for free. Many gyms will let you pay for your membership by helping out around the place. The most common way? Cleaning the gym. Yep, grab a broom and offer to sweep the floors. You get free access to the gym, they get a sparkling clean space. Win-win. If the gym already has someone cleaning, just ask. Is there anything else I can do? Help at events, manage the front desk, whatever it takes. Most gyms appreciate the extra help, and you'll be working your way toward free training. You can also ask if the gym has spare equipment. Often they'll have gloves, wraps, and even shoes they're willing to let you borrow while you're just getting started. So there you have it. Between borrowing gear, budget-friendly Amazon finds, and even working for your gym membership, you can get into boxing for next to nothing. Remember, it's not about how much you spend, but how hard you work in the ring. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.